Hey guys, welcome back to Katie's Move. Thanks for stopping by. For the next 5.5 minutes, we will be vibing with Katie and Justin. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to check out Justin's channel, That Christian Vlogger. Makes some really great Christian videos, really knows his stuff. Going through a really great Bible study right now called The Move. Make sure to check it out. Hope you guys enjoy the video. You been in fast cars a lot, or?
No, not really.
Excellent.
What do you say is the fastest car you've been in?
Like a Beamer. Soon enough after high school, I knew I was doing a new ministry. I was like, oh, I'm not going to really be able to do the whole fast car thing. Like, it just doesn't seem within reach. Having long hair with the top down must feel good, huh?
It's like whipping me in the eyeball.
It's in that awkward length right now. How often do you just go joyriding?
Like never.
Really?
I usually just joyride as I'm going somewhere or something. Drive with a purpose.
Drive with a purpose. There you go.
Principle number 3, drive with purpose.
That's pretty cool.
Okay.
You want to go on the windy roads?
Up to you.
Alrighty then.
You ever want to go to the Autobahn?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
A few moments later.
You can feel the torque in the back.
Yeah.
It's powerful. That's cool. Get your own roller coaster built in.
Yeah.
You ever actually race people?
Oh, sometimes on the freeway or something. If someone's like, hey, you want to race or something? But usually they're just slow cars, but it's still fun.
That's good. So you got anyone special in your life?
Katie and I, we're doing just fine.
This girl right here.
Fair enough. She gets all the love and attention,
She
huh?
does, she does.
What's her name?
Katie.
Katie. Nice. That scare you for a bit?
No.
I feel like if I had a car like this, I'd get into too much trouble.
Yeah, it can happen quick.
Freeze, mister! Big toe! Oh, gracious.
That's pretty much it. Did those LED lights, that chandelier right there hanging down, all these outside lights.
Is this an assisted living? Or what
Yeah,
is this?
it's assisted living.
Okay. Cool. Sweet. That was super fun, man.
Anytime.
Thank you. Appreciate
No
that.
problem.
Like built-in handles.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoy the video and subscribe for more content. See you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya. And I'll be putting Justin's URL down in the description below if you want to check out his channel. Really awesome guy and friend. Hope you guys check him out. See you guys later. Peace.